Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be doing this very bright, colorful eyeshadow look. Like, does this not scream spring to you guys? Okay, so it's hot outside. Let me go put some pink and yellow on my eyes. That's how I see it. But anyways, let's get started. I am going to start off by adding B from the James Charles palette. I am going to be applying that just on the inner part of my eye, like on my crease, but I'm not taking it too far. Maybe like halfway or a little bit less actually. Well, you guys will see right now. Okay, so this is as far as I'm going to take that color. Now using that same brush, I am going to start blending. And you guys will see in a bit that I do go into the James Charles palette and use canvas and just put that underneath my brow. That way it can help me blend out that yellow a little bit better. Okay, so one thing that I forgot to mention was that while I'm blending, I'm still packing on that color until it's as intense as I want it. But now that it's all blended out, I am going in with Skip and just adding that to the outer corner of my eye. Okay, and just like the yellow, I am going to put the pink only halfway through my crease. And when it comes to blending, I'm not really worried about blending it into the yellow, just because I am going to put another color in between those two. Okay, and the same goes for this color. I am going to be blending and adding more just until I reach the intensity that I want. Okay, so now going into this palette, which is the Sweet Pinks by Juvias, I am going to be taking that peachy color and putting that one in the middle. And I am going to take my time blending this one just because it is the color that brings everything together. Okay, now taking a big fluffy brush, I am going to take Pinkity Dinkity from the James Charles palette and just use that to kind of blend everything together. Okay, so I did go ahead and cut my crease off camera, but now I'm going in with that first pink shade that I used and blending it into the concealer just to get rid of that line. And now going into the one from the Juvias palette, doing the same thing, just blending it in. Okay, so I'm going to be taking this glitter and adding it to my crease. And I can't tell you guys what brand it is because I bought it from a little store and they just sold it in this clear container, but anything similar will do. Okay, so as you guys can see, I went ahead and did my eyeliner and face makeup off camera, but now I'm taking this Kinder Glow highlighting palette and putting some on my inner corner. And right after, I'm going to be adding this white eyeliner from Wet n Wild. And I am going to be finishing off the look by adding some eyelashes and mascara, and the one that I'm using is the Rocket Volume Express by Maybelline. That's it for this look. If you guys liked it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video.